top staff augmentation companies in USA, hiring freezes, fixed launch dates, and skills your team has never needed before. The reasons companies turn to staff augmentation are rarely the same twice. What they share is a need for capacity that can arrive quickly and leave just as cleanly, without the long commitment of a permanent hire. The providers below all place vetted engineers who work as part of your team, but each brings a different strength. Design-led product work, triple vetted nearshore talent, high retention squads, or AI-matched individual developers. Here are 5 worth knowing as you build a shortlist for 2026. Inoxoft works as an extension of your in-house team, adding senior engineers who plug into your process and ship from day one. Our 200-plus specialists cover everything from full stack and mobile to data and AI/ML. And we run engagements as team extension, a dedicated team, or full project delivery, whichever your build calls for. A 200-plus in-house team across full stack, mobile, QA, DevOps, data, and AI/ML. Team extension, dedicated teams, or full project delivery to match your build. More than 200 delivered projects and a client base centered in the US ISO 27001 practices, plus Microsoft, Google Cloud, and ISTQB partnerships. Netguru engineers, products with design treated as a core discipline, pairing web and mobile development with UX/UI and product management. A fit for consumer-facing products where design quality drives adoption. Design and engineering are delivered together, not as separate phases. Deep fintech experience alongside retail, healthcare, and more. A certified B Corporation with 2,500 plus projects behind it. Tecla focuses on triple vetted nearshore talent across engineering, product, data, and AI, handling sourcing, onboarding, HR, and retention end-to-end, so you can add people without building your own recruiting pipeline. Triple vetted candidates screened for skill, communication, and references. Engineers, designers, QA, data, and PM roles. End-to-end vetting, onboarding, and retention handled for you. ParallelStaff builds nearshore squads around a structured framework, with a short evaluation period on each placement, and a track record of high engineer retention across fintech, SaaS, healthcare, and e-commerce work. A 94% engineer retention rate and multi-year average tenure, a structured evaluation period on every placement. Experience across fintech, SaaS, healthcare, and e-commerce. Turing serves teams that want individual developers, matched by an AI-driven platform, drawing from a large global network across more than 100 technology stacks, with a short risk-free trial to confirm fit before you commit. AI-driven matching that surfaces candidates within days. Coverage across 100-plus stacks and engineering, data, and ML roles. A short risk-free trial before a longer commitment. Inoxoft's experience in US staff augmentation. For us, staff augmentation has always been about adding capability you can trust with sensitive work. Across more than 10 years and 200-plus delivered projects, we've supported teams in regulated and data-heavy fields, such as healthcare, fintech, real estate, education, and logistics, where security and reliability aren't optional. That's why we work to ISO 27001 practices and hold partnerships with Microsoft, Google Cloud, and ISTQB, and why a dedicated AI and machine learning practice sits alongside our core engineering. When you bring our engineers on, they operate inside your repositories, standards, and sprint cadence, so your IP and architecture stay firmly in your hands. 200 plus delivered projects across healthcare, fintech, real estate, education and logistics. A full-time 200-strong in-house engineering team, ISO 27001 practices, and Microsoft, Google Cloud and ISTQB partnerships. A dedicated AI and machine learning practice for data-heavy products. Once you've pinned down the requirements a project carries, the right engineers make the difference. Reach the team and we'll line up the people to deliver it. Conclusion 5. Strong options, 5 different strengths. The one that fits depends on the specific gap you're filling and how a partner's people work alongside yours. Shortlist 2 or 3, talk to each about a real project, and the right match usually becomes clear quickly.